Jamie, Max and Cameron are having a party. It's gonna be booze, babes, belligerents. Should I go?
We're supposed to be flying out for the surprise party next week, bro.
Yeah, so I should sell my car, buy a camera, fly to Bermuda for this party, and then hide 5 days till the surprise.
What the fuck?
Some boy wipe up my earth and drop down.
So when do you guys see your parents?
I see them on Wednesday, so yeah, I've got like 5 days hidden.
Really? That's so fun.
Yeah,
Alright, where are you staying?
everywhere.
Alright, so we're gonna go grab Ariel and David on our way home.
Hello.
Hello, Mike.
Hi!
You're my favourite part about it.
Oh, you filmed me.
Watch out for this. Yo, me nah miss number 1 funny list. Mash up the place. Oh my. Hey, watch out for this. Watch out for this. Hey, watch out for this. I my dust lyrics. Mash up the place, but she want not for this. Yo, me nah miss number 1 funny list. The girl them a twist waistline can't resist. Watch out for this. I my dust lyrics. Mash up the place, but she want not for this. Yo, me nah miss number 1 funny list. The girl them a twist waistline can't resist. Hey. Watch out for this.